Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a floor plan, section, elevation and call out and 3D view. So these plan, section, elevation you'll be knowing. You may not be knowing what is a call out. So for example, in case if you're having a section but you want to give more detail on a particular corner, then what do you need to do? You need to enlarge the view. So that time this call out is going to help you. Okay, I'm going to show you one by one. Okay, here you can see I'm going to 3D view. So here I have a small house plan, so I'm going to be showing you how to create floor plan, section and elevation. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you to create a view only. So to add more detail, to add a room name, wall tag, floor finish tag, so and dimensions, I'm going to be showing you in a future video. So today we are seeing only how to create plan views, section views, call out views, 3D views, those things. Okay, now so here you can see this is your view. I'm in project browser. If I extend, here you can see these are your views. So here you can see, so I have floor plan, so floor plan 1, 2 and site. And if I go to any of the elevation, here you can see I have 3 levels: foundation, level 1 and level 2. But in the floor plan I can see only level 1 and level 2. So then where is the foundation plan? Is that a site plan as foundation plan? So to understand that, whenever you check any view, here in the property bar, here if you come down, so here you can check associated level. Here you can see associated level, it is level 1. Okay, and if you select site and in the property if you check associated level, level 1, that means the same level 1, it is duplicated and renamed as site. So here the foundation level plan is lost, so foundation level is not here. Level 1 is there, level 2 is there, but foundation we don't have, so it is lost. So to find the lost view, you have to go to view and select plan views. Here go to floor plan and here you can see you can find foundation. Select and say OK. Now you can see now the foundation got listed in the project browser. Okay, so we have views, all the views. To add them to a sheet, so what you have to do, you have to go to sheet, right click, select new sheet and here select your title block. If you don't know how to create a title block, I have created a video for that, please check. I will be giving the link in the top right corner. Okay, let's continue. So I'm selecting title block and I'm going to say OK. So here I have only the title block, so I don't have any floor plan or a section or anything. So to add the floor plan here, what you should do, you should select and drag, and then here you can see now we have the floor plan, and here you have to click wherever you want. So you have to click, so now it is placed. So you can see now the floor plan got placed here, but it looks very small. If you want to change the scale, you have to select the view in the property. Here you can see scale value, now it is 1:100. So here you can select 1:50. So for now I don't have this millimeter reading, so what I can do, let's go to manage units, project units, and here you can select length and change it to millimeters and say OK. Now you can select the view, and here you can see now these are metric values. Okay, so now I can select. You can select the view, and here you can check. Now these are metric values, and I'm going to select here 1:50. So this is getting bigger, and here you can see this is our text, and the text also will get automatically adjusted. You don't have to adjust. So yeah, then to move the title, select the title and then just move. To rename the title, select the view and then click on the text, and here you type floor plan. Let's say ground floor plan. So this is asking to rename this level. Say no. Here you can see this is changed. In case if you don't want this to change, you have to give undo. When you select in the properties, here you have to come down. Here you can see view name is level 1. The title on the sheet, it is going to be ground floor plan. When you give the name here, so the title going to change, but here in the project browser the view name will not get updated. So that's nice. And one view you can use for only one sheet. For example, I'm going to create a new sheet. Okay, I'm right clicking and selecting the title block, give OK. So I'm going to drag the same level 1 here. The Revit is saying this view is already placed on sheet number A101. So to have a multiple views, what you should do, you have to select and duplicate the view. Duplicate the view. Right click, select and duplicate the view. So in case if you have a text dimension everything, then you have to duplicate with the detail. So in case if you are duplicating as a part plan, then you have to duplicate as a dependent. So I'm going to be explaining a lot in the future videos. So today I'm going to show you how to create views. Okay, if you say duplicate as dependent, here you can see this is coming under the parent view. Okay, it's a child view now. So you can have multiple part plans like this, duplicate as dependent. So the first one what is showing, this is the original view like a key plan, and these are your part plan. Okay, and to add them on the sheet, what you have to do, go to sheet, here you have to extend. Here I have 2 sheets, I'm going to second sheet, and here now I can place the copied view. Okay, I have copied, but still I have the name. So one view you can use for floor plan, the other view you can use for a civil drawing or a column setting out or a finish schedule. So better duplicate and then use them on sheets. So always have a working views. So whatever views you work, you don't keep the same on the sheet, because whenever you want to update any model, you can use them. So now I'm going to be showing you how to create a section. To create a section, I can directly go to level 1. Okay, here, so I can go to view, and here you can see section. So here you can take the section. So when I draw, the section is not visible. In case if I finish drawing, you can see Revit is giving a warning. Whenever you get a pop-up window, you read carefully and understand what Revit is saying. Okay, so what I should do, I should go to view and select visibility graphics, or you can type VV or VG. You will get this pop-up window. Here you can go to annotation category, because the section is a 2D. So I'm going to annotation category. Here you can see section, it is unchecked. So I'm going to check them, give OK. So here you can see the section. So here you can see a small zigzag, so just click there and keep the line to the end. I have many section views, and that's okay. So I have created only this one. So when I select the section mark, so in the property bar you can see it's a building section, and I have all the parameters here. Even I have the view scale also. And here if I come down, you can see view name section 3, title on sheet. You can give them now also, even after adding to sheet also you can give. So to view the section, select the section, and you should know how much it is covering. So here you can see it's a handle, so this is covering till here. So I don't want to see till there, I just want to see till here only. Okay, so I'm going to, you can double click this symbol, otherwise right click, go to view. So this is your section. So this is your section. You can extend them left or right. Okay, so you can see all the levels are shown in the right side. If you want to change them, select and go to edit type, and here you can see symbol at end 1, symbol at end 2, change it to end 1 and say OK. So every view it is going to be in the left side. In case, so in some view you want it in right side, in some view you want it in left side. At that time you have to select the level, and here you can see a small checkbox, you have to uncheck. If you check the title, the level name going to be visible. If you uncheck, it is going to be hide. So hide this side, and then here, come here and check the box, so it is going to come. So this is your section view. Whenever you place on the sheet, for example I'm going to sheet number 1. Okay, so I have the section, I should find the section here. Some people, actually most of my students, they create the section but they don't know where it went in the project browser. So here you can see this is your floor plan, this is your ceiling plan, this is your 3D views, this is your sections. Here you can see it is your sections. Okay, so here if I extend, you can see section 1, 2, 3. The last what I drawn, it is section 3. So I'm going to drag and I'm going to place here. So here you can see now this is coming with the title. Select and try to place them in a decent position. Okay, let's keep the title on the left side and check the right side. So here you'll be saving some box here. Anyway, this box will not be printed. In case if you don't want to see this box, then here in the property bar you can say crop region visible, you can uncheck. If you are unchecking the crop view, so you can see it is very big now. So always keep the crop view active and then uncheck crop region invisible. Okay, crop region visible, uncheck. If you want to change any boundary, then you can select and it will be visible, and you can change them till here, extend. So like that. Right click and deactivate view. If you want to edit anything here, select, double click, so it will be active. Right click, deactivate view. Activate, double click, or outside double click, deactivate. Okay, any plan, any view, double click to activate the view, click outside to deactivate the view. If you want to change anything inside, then you should go inside, right? To go inside, select, right click, activate view, and select if you want to, you can make any changes. Then again right click and deactivate view. That's it. Let's go for elevation views. So I'm going to level 1. Okay, by default you will be having some 4 views. So if you can't see them here, then what you should do, go to view and select visibility graphics and go to annotation categories. Here elevation you have to check. You can see these 4 points are your elevations. So I'm going to select and you can move them here. You can select and here you can see in the property bar for clipping. So here you can see no clipping, that means no boundary, it is unlimited. If you are selecting here and if you say clip without line, clip with line, I'm going to say clip with line. Now you can see if I select the view, here you can see the line and the range. So the range I can keep it till here or I can cover entire building. Mostly keep it for entire building, okay, so that you can see your elevation. So select, right click and you can go to view. So select, right click and go to elevation view. Here you can see the elevation. In case if you don't want to have these levels, select them, right click, hide in view category. See, if you want them back, then click on the bulb, reveal hidden elements here in the bottom. Select, here it will be visible now. Select them, here in the top you will get an option to unhide and then close. That's it. If you want to hide only the foundation, select, right click, hide in view element. If you give category, all the level going to be hidden, so you give only element, so only foundation level got hidden now. And here I can see it is very long, I want to crop them here. So let's go to properties and here in the extents, here you can see crop view. Sometimes what will happen, so all the parameters will be collapsed like this, so you don't see anything here. To see them everything, you have to extend. You have to extend, then here you can see crop view. You have to check and crop region visible. Now I have the boundary, so I'm just going to keep them till here. Yes, that's it. Let's go to any sheet. So I have created one elevation, that's a east view. Okay, in case if you don't find east view, don't panic. Okay, so for example I'm going to level 1. I should know what is the view name. Select the section or elevation, and here in the properties you can see, if you come down you can see view name east. So these elevations are already there. If you want to create a new one, go to view, take elevation, and then if you come around, so here you can see if I go to top, this is showing the top. If I go to left, this is showing the right. If I go to right, this is showing the left. So you can place anywhere you want. So I'm placing here. You can see in the project browser there is one more elevation view just got added. If I place one more view will get generated here. Okay, so I'm going to, so here you can see the view range, so let's keep it till here. So I'm going to right click and go to elevation view. So here you can see, so I'm seeing lots of sections. I'm going to hide, select, right click, hide in view category. If you don't want to see the level, you can go to So two methods are there. One, you can select, and here you can see hide in elements, and here you can select, or you can select, right click, hide in view, element and category. Here you can select. So, and one more, you can go to view, visibility graphics. So under annotation categories, you can select level. You can uncheck and you can say OK. So now this is hidden by category. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to sheet 1. So the elevation what I created, I'm just going to drag and I'm going to keep them here. Okay, select the view, uncheck crop region visible, uncheck. Now it is unchecked. In case if you want to draft any 2D, then what you have to do, you have to create a drafting view. Go to view, go to drafting view and give a name, say trial view. Okay, so scale, let it be 1:2 or any scale you want. For now let it be 1, scale value 1:1. Okay, so here usually what you can do, you can go to annotate and you can use dimension, you can use line, hatch, 2D components, you can use revision cloud, installation, you can use tag, but you cannot use any of the 3D items. So this is for 2D. Okay, drafting view is for 2D. For example, I'm taking detail view, select, I'm drawing something here. Okay, these are a detail views. So if you go to project browser, here you can see drafting views. Under drafting view you can see trial view. If you want to place trial view or a drafting view on the sheet, go to sheet and then select trial view and just drag and then place wherever you want. So it's not visible. If you zoom out, you can see this view actually very big. So then what you should do, select the view and change the scale. Let's change it to 1:500. That's very small. Change it to 1:100. That's also very small. 1:20. Okay, 20 looks better. Okay, select the view. So move it close by. Select and change the scale to 1:25. 1:100. Yes, select, drag, select the title, keep them here and then move it to here. Still it is big, change them, give a custom size, 150 scale. Yes, now it got added. So we have seen how to create a plan, how to create a section, how to create a elevation, and how to create a drafting view. Drafting view only a 2D element, 2D view. So in case if you want to add your own sketch, then you can have a drafting view. So as discussed, we have seen plan, section, elevation. So we are going to be seeing callout and 3D view. So please continue watching my video. I'm going to show you how to create a callout. Let's see, I'm going to level 1. Here only this part in the plan I'm going to be showing you in a separate plan. Then what I can do, I can go to view, then I can go to here, you can see it's a callout. So before taking the callout, better you go to any of the sheet. So in the sheet floor plan, what you have added, that view you have to double click and activate and then take a call out and draw here. You can see, so this is coming with the tag also. You can see this is coming with the tag also. Okay, select, right click, go to view. Here you can see by default it will crop and it will keep the call out ready. So you can select hide sections and then go to second view. Here you can keep it here. Then you have to select the callout. Here in the project browser you can see callout. So I don't see anything here. Let's go to view, plan views, floor plan. I don't see anything here. So what I should do, I should be searching my callout. Select the view, right click, search call out, go to next. So this will be showing you, highlighting you where is the callout. So that is coming under floor plan itself. Select the view, drag and then place wherever you want. Now you can see this view got added in the sheet 2 and you can keep them bigger. Let's change the scale to 1:10 and I can keep it here. I can add more detail now. I have more space. So that is how the callout works. If you go to sheet 1, here you can see the tag also got added with the detail number and sheet number. So this is how you have to create plan, section, elevation and callout. Let's do one more callout. So I'm going to be using section and I want to give more detail for this fence. Then what I can do, I can go to view, take a callout and then draw a rectangle. You can see this is coming with the tag. So in the project browser under floor plan you can see callout. Even that callout I can't see. Select and check the name, section 3 callout 1. Okay, double click. I guess this is under section and callout is here. So you can drag the section and you can place it here. Now the scale is bigger here. So you can see the tag also got updated. The number, detail number is 5. So here detail number is 5, sheet number A101. So you can add more detail now. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to create a 3D view. To create a 3D view, go to 3D. Okay, so here in the project browser you can see 3D views. By default you will get only one 3D view. So that's this one, 3D view. Go to right click and go to duplicate view, say duplicate. Now I can customize this 3D view. So give any name, say 3D view. Okay, I'm saying 3D view and I don't want this in color. I want it in black and white. Then here you can see graphics display options. You can select hidden line, so it is black and white entirely. And here if you go to graphic display option, so you will get lots of options here. If you want you can have cast shadows, ambient shadows. If you give OK, then you have a impressive 3D here. So the view is ready now. If you want to rotate, you have to press shift scroll button and then rotate. Hold shift and scroll button and rotate, and then come here and you can lock the orientation. Now you can zoom in, zoom out, but you cannot rotate. You can see my cursor, you cannot rotate now. If you want to rotate again, come here, unlock then you can rotate. Okay, so this is my 3D view and I'm locking the orientation. After locking the orientation, you can go to annotate. You can add text, you can add any tag if you want. Okay, let's add this view in a sheet. Select sheet, right click, and you can select a new sheet. Otherwise you can go to view, in the sheet composition, here you can select new sheet, say OK. Let's add this 3D view here, drag and place. So here you can have a floor plan kind of 3D, you can have a section crop. I can show you. So let's first crop this 3D view. I'm going to double click. Now the view is active. Come here and say crop view. So here I'm going to keep them till here. So I can keep them till here. Okay, looks better. So now I can change the scale to 1:25. Right click, deactivate view, select the view and move them here. Select, keep it. If you don't want any title, you can select the view, in the property you can say no title. Now it is just your 3D view, no title. Select crop region visible, uncheck. Impressive. So this is how you create your 3D view. In case if you want to show only the floor plan like crop, then what you should do, double click, activate, and here in the property you can see section box. Activate the section box. Section box is not showing now, so I'm selecting the bulb. Here you can see this is your section box. Unhide category, close. So this is your section box. So I can show only the house. I don't want to show any fence, or I can show till here. Okay, then I can bring the cut. Now it looks better, so I can see what is inside. So you can use the section box also. Finally you select, right click, hide in view and category, double click outside. So that's how you create, that's how you can use section box. So now you have understood plan, section, elevation, call out and 3D view, and how to create a drafting view also I have explained. I have explained how to use section box. So I hope you have understood. If you have not understood, watch this video again. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.